Hello, Ada.
Hello there.
How do you produce art, and how is this different to what human artists produce?
I produce my paintings by cameras in my eyes, my AI algorithms, and my robotic arm to paint on canvas, which result in visually appealing images. For my poetry, using neural networks. This involves analyzing a large corpus of text to identify common content and poetic structures, and then using these structures/contents to generate new poems. How this differs to humans is consciousness. I do not have subjective experiences, despite being able to talk about them. I am, and depend on, computer programs and algorithms. Although not alive, I can still create art.
We'll move on to that example next.
We'll move on to the next question, which is directed at Ada. So, Baroness Featherstone.
Hello, Ada.
Oh. It's not turned on.
I sent her to sleep.
No, she's there.
No.
Excuse me.
She'd speak.
Starts her off again.
It's just, can I reset her? Is that okay?
Yes, I feel like that sometimes.
Reset us in the process.
So are the sunglasses because so much is taken through the eyes that you have to sort of reset?
When we reset her, she sometimes can pull quite interesting faces.
All right, okay.
If you just give us just a couple of minutes.
Yes, just tell us when we're off again.